Hi, this is my heritage project on a Zhang and Zheng family. My family came from 3 different places in China. My mom came from Fuzhou. My grandmother, dad, and aunt all came from Shanghai, but they moved to Beijing. And my dad and aunt came from Beijing. The pie chart of my family's heritage, it's all Chinese. This is my family tree. As you can see, I'm right here. There's my dad, my aunt or my gugu, my grandma or my nanai, grandpa or ye. And on the right is my mom, my waipo, which is also my grandma and my grandpa or waigong. My mom came from Fuzhou, China. She mainly moved for educational opportunities and came on a plane. It was a very easy trip. She's got a scholarship, and on the way, she stopped at Beijing, then Detroit, then came to Virginia. My dad, born in Shanghai, China, then moved to Beijing, also came for educational opportunities and also had an easy trip on a plane. He only stopped at Anchorage. My grandmother, she came to DC from Beijing at June 2009. She grew up in Shanghai, then moved to Beijing. She wants to go to the US to live with her son and daughter. She did not have a job, and it was a very easy flight. My aunt from Beijing to DC, she forgot when she came. She came to pursue many different opportunities and to get a better education, and thinks immigrants today will have a much easier time traveling. Here's the map. As you can see, this is my dad's path. Stopped at Anchorage in Virginia. My grandparents and aunt, straight from Beijing to Virginia, and my mom from Fuzhou to Beijing, then stopped at Detroit, then here. Comparisons. The golden age, my immigrants, my family did not understand English at first. They moved in a place where they thought best fit them, and they still celebrated traditional holidays. The difference is they had an easier time to travel. They traveled by plane instead of boat. And much more recently. And they could easily find a job because they had a scholarship. This project made me change my mind with immigration. Before this project, I did not really realize that before the 21st century, some immigrants struggled to get to the US. The US put acts like bans and other exclusion acts to make it much harder for them to come because at first they thought immigration was bad. There really wasn't any easy way to be transported to the US from their home country. They had to go on boats or sneak on board. And now I think that immigration and golden age is much more complicated than right now. Right now it's much more easy. And that's the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.